When I was 3, my parents always said I wanted to be a pilot. I was diagnosed with childhood cancer at the age of 3 years old. My Make-A-Wish that I got for my cancer treatment is actually took my first flight. So I think that kindled a lot of my passions and dreams for aviation. So you can imagine my surprise when I see this school for kids who want to become pilots and kids who want to get into this aviation field. It was really remarkable when I first saw it. I think one of the major things that I was worried about when I came to the school was who I was going to meet and the friends. That was a non-factor. I really do think I made some long-term life friends. They also prepared me a ton for my flight training as I became a private pilot at 17. And I don't think I could have done it without the school. Being able to have the flexibility to leave throughout the day to complete my private pilot training or have our wonderful teachers at the AOPA class teach us stuff about aviation really was an amazing attribute factor to learn.